Hello, welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. So first up, why do two-step verification in the first place? Well, this gives your account an extra layer of security and protection, which will hopefully stop your account falling into the hands of hackers. Right, so let's not take up any more of your time and let's get to it. First thing we need to do is open up the app on our mobile device. In this video I'm using an iPhone, but these settings are the same no matter what mobile device you do it on. As you can see, I am currently in the status menu on WhatsApp, but at the bottom you just need to click on the settings menu, then click on account. Once in the account menu, you just need to click on two-step verification. Once you're in the two-step verification, click on enable. Now that you have enabled the two-step verification, it will ask you for a 6-digit PIN, which you will need if you ever register the phone number again. For example, if you upgrade your phone and download WhatsApp again. So make this something memorable for obvious reasons, because if you do forget it, it will lock you out of your account. You can also enter an email address to reset the PIN if you do forget it and safeguard your account. Also, you can just skip the email address part if you'd like to, but I do recommend you put an email address in. Once you've confirmed your email address, or equally skipped it if you didn't want to, click on done. It will then enable the two-step verification, and then you will see you are all set up. Once you have set it up, if at any time you would like to go back to it and either disable it, you can do so. You can also change your PIN and change the email address. Right, well that brings us to the end of another Into Tech tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.